Is a Windows 11 PC running slow in 2026? This guide covers simple, proven fixes to boost performance and keep your system running smoothly. Step 1. Go to Search menu and type Settings. Click on Open it. Select Privacy and Security. On right side, under Windows Permissions, select General. Turn off all these options. Then go back to Privacy and Security. Select Diagnostics. You're able to see diagnostic data. Just turn this off. Go to Windows Update. Select Advanced Options. Optimization, Delivery Optimization. Just select the option and turn off this allow downloads from other devices. Step 2, just close tab here and go to search menu and type Run. Click on Open it. Type msconfig and click on OK. Go to Services and check mark this hide all Microsoft services. Select disable all option. Select apply and to save changes, and then go to startup tab and select open task manager. Here you need to disable third party programs. If you don't need Microsoft OneDrive, just disable it. Copilot disable. Unwanted things just disable. And once you're done, just close tab here and select apply and OK for save changes. Restart your PC. Step 3, go to search menu and type core isolation. Click on open the core isolation. Turn off this memory integrity. Once you're done, let's move on to the step 4. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type sysdm.cpl. Click on OK. Go to advanced under performance, select settings. Select this adjust for best performance. Check mark this animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, and show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges of screen fonts, and then click on apply and OK for save changes. Click on OK. And the final step, go to search menu and type settings. Go to personalization, colors, and turn off this transparency effects. Once you're done, just close tab here, and now you will notice an immediate performance boost. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.